Okay, this is Kenny at SimTech, and I'm going to show you how to emboss a directional arrow for grain rotation in Solidworks. So I'm going to use that face. I'm going to drag my drawing file, the symbol file, into Solidworks and pick and locate it and pick OK. Then I'm going to take this and rotate it 90 degrees, I think. Well, should be okay. There you go. So that's going to show it. This is the angle for the rotation on this part. Right? That's the short side. Normally it would rotate so the long direction is an X. By doing this, we're going to put that on there, and then let me select those parts, or actually just pick it. Oops, sorry. Pick that, and I'm sorry. You pick all these, then we go to features and do the extrude cut. And I have it, I want to do it at 0.01, which is what the book tells us to do. And pick OK. And that's now embossed on that face. So we could save the part now. And we go back to the assembly. Rebuild the assembly. Okay, so this assembly now has that part in there updated. And I go to pick Solid Sim Connect, and this does the automatic feature recognition. And that one part will now be facing, the short side will be in the X direction. There you can see the embossment on the parts. This creates the CSV file. There's all the parts, the drawing files with the geometry on different layers. And then here is the lay flat, and you can see that part laying flat, and that's the side that faces up as well. So it's got the cut, it's long in this direction, that's the X direction. That was the embossment using appearance recognition in Solid Sim. Thanks for taking a look.